Prickly yet popular cacti charm our homes. Cacti are trendy, they are popular houseplants. Their unique shapes and minimal care requirements make them a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious house, cacti can fit in perfectly. People love their unique look. Cacti fit busy lifestyles, they require very little water and can thrive in various lighting conditions, making them ideal for both home and office environments. Their resilience and adaptability are truly remarkable. They are easy to care for. Unlike many other houseplants, cacti don't need frequent watering. In fact, overwatering can harm them. A little sunlight and occasional watering are all they need to flourish. Many cacti have beautiful flowers. These blooms can add a splash of color to any room. The flowers come in various shades, from vibrant reds and pinks to subtle whites and yellows, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your space. Cacti come in many shapes and sizes. From tiny round varieties to tall, columnar types, there's a cactus to suit every taste and decor style. Their diversity is one of their greatest strengths. Some are small and round. These compact cacti are perfect for windowsills, desks, and small spaces. They add a touch of greenery without taking up much room. Others are tall and columnar. These striking plants can serve as focal points in a room or garden. Their impressive height and structure make them stand out. With so many types, there's a cactus for everyone. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or a more eclectic style, you can find a cactus that fits your aesthetic. Their low-maintenance nature is a major plus. Cacti thrive on neglect. They are perfect for people who may not have a green thumb or who are often away from home. This makes them perfect for beginners. If you're new to houseplants, starting with cacti can be a rewarding experience. Their hardiness and beauty make them a delightful addition to any home. The balancing act of watering your desert dweller. Cacti are unique plants that require a delicate balance of water to thrive. Cacti are masters of survival, adapted to harsh, arid environments. They store water in their stems, allowing them to endure long periods without rain. This remarkable ability helps them survive through extended droughts. However, overwatering is a common mistake that many cactus owners make. Too much water can lead to root rot and ultimately kill your cactus. So, how often should you water your cactus? The key is to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Depending on the environment, this drying process can take several weeks. When you do water, make sure to water deeply. Ensure that the entire root ball is thoroughly moistened. During the winter months, cacti enter a period of dormancy and need less water. Water sparingly during this time as their growth slows down significantly. A light watering once a month is often sufficient during winter. Always check the soil moisture before watering to avoid overwatering. Sun-kissed and comfortable. Light and temperature needs. Cacti love sunshine. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. A south-facing window is ideal. Rotate the pot regularly. This ensures even growth. These desert dwellers enjoy warmth. They prefer temperatures between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius or 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Protect them from cold drafts in winter. Temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit can harm your cactus. A home in the pot. Choosing the right soil. Cacti need well-draining soil. Regular potting mix holds too much moisture. This can lead to root rot. Choose a cactus-specific potting mix. You can also make your own. To create your mix, combine equal parts potting soil, perlite, and coarse sand. This blend provides good drainage. It also offers essential nutrients. Growing up, repotting your cactus companion. Repotting your cactus is an essential part of its care routine, ensuring it has enough space to grow and thrive. Cacti don't need frequent repotting. Unlike many other houseplants, cacti are quite content in their pots for extended periods. They actually prefer being slightly root-bound. This means their roots are snug within the pot, which can help them grow more efficiently. Repotting is necessary when the cactus outgrows its pot. You'll notice this when roots start to peek out from the drainage holes or the plant becomes top-heavy. This is usually every 2 to 4 years. However, the exact timing can vary depending on the species and growth conditions. Spring is the best time to repot. During this season, cacti are coming out of their dormant phase and are ready to grow. Choose a pot slightly larger than the current one. This gives the roots room to expand without overwhelming the plant. Use fresh cactus potting mix. This specialized soil provides the right balance of nutrients and drainage. Water the cactus thoroughly after repotting. This helps settle the soil and provides the plant with the moisture it needs to adjust. Avoid fertilizing for a few weeks. Cacti are fascinating plants. They need time to acclimate to their new environment before receiving additional nutrients. They bring a touch of the desert into your home. Their unique shapes and resilience make them a favorite among plant enthusiasts. With proper care, your cactus will thrive. Regular monitoring and occasional repotting are key to its health. You can enjoy its unique beauty for years to come. Watching your cactus grow and flourish can be a rewarding experience.